City, Missouri, up to Brookings right now on I-29 going north. Just north of Omaha right now. We got near whiteout blizzard conditions. There's about 2 inches of snow that have fallen. Now we got about 30-mile-an-hour winds blowing it all around. It's not too bad right here. We're just in between Sioux City and Omaha, Nebraska, and we have pretty good whiteout conditions here on the road. Going 35 up the interstate here. Visibility is less than a quarter of a mile. It's pretty intense driving here. Looks like we got a pretty big accident up here. Somewhere. We're about to a standstill now. Visibility's not too bad, but looks like someone spun off the highway up here farther. Getting to the north side of this band of snow, getting closer to Sioux City here. Been on the road from Omaha probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and we're still about a half hour or 30 miles south of Sioux City. The visibility's gotten way better. Roads they're finally getting the plows out, so that's helping a lot. And seeing less cars in the ditch now, so that's a good sign. Hopefully things will keep up farther north here once we get out of the snow and see some more clear conditions here. Finally got clear roads. It's still really windy, but not any snow up here. Just about 40 miles south of Sioux Falls now. Roads are pretty clear. Put the truck back in two-wheel drive. Things are going pretty good now. It's taken about an extra three more hours than what it should have to go through Kansas City to Omaha and then up to Sioux City. But should be good traveling back to Brookings now from just south of Sioux Falls here.